vet. Hot out the motherfucking vet. I only wanna pull up on the bitch and she get wet. I took it down so good, lady. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe.
What's good, Versatile Squad? As you can see, we in the Versatile Garage. And I got a couple packages behind me. This right here is a Z06 Grill. That right there is your radiator skid plate for the C7 Corvette. First off, let me tell y'all why I'm replacing those things, man. So I truck in front of me, of course, hit something in the road. It flew up, took a piece of my grill out, and then took the other part of it, took a whole square out. How? I don't know. I'm still in the process of moving, y'all, so the garage isn't completely done. So don't judge me there. But we're gonna get that Z06 grill in, y'all. That thing gonna look completely better. Then we're gonna be maintaining this. If you haven't seen the video when I installed the DRL color changing headlights by Vet Lights, here I'm gonna go ahead and throw that up on the card for y'all right there. Be sure to check them out. They're pretty best sponsors out there, man. I'm telling y'all. If y'all got a Vet, be sure to go to Vet Lights and get it right. No cap. But there's moisture that got inside. Didn't seal it properly. This is the headlight that I messed up on. For y'all, those of y'all who haven't seen that video, make sure y'all go check it out. This one, my brother-in-law cut it, sealed it perfectly. So we're gonna be sealing this better, installing that grill, and then y'all wanna see the vet for a good week. Guess where we going? We're going to Cloak Wraps in Austin, Texas, y'all. Be sure to check them out on Instagram. The links will be in the description below. The wrap that I got coming to this vet is crazy. We ain't gonna talk too much about that, y'all. Let's go ahead and get into this Z06 grill install. That skid plate will be a whole nother video. I'll explain to y'all more about that in the other video. Be sure to go check it out. I will throw up in the card right here. Be sure to check it out. Let's get into this light, y'all. Alright, y'all, got the light out. If y'all haven't seen my other video when I installed them, I actually had the wire run through the weather strip up here, when absolutely I should have ran it through here, all along here, and that way I can just go through, and it follows the factory mounting brackets, and I can just tape it all up to the factory wiring. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna when we do rewire it, we're gonna go that route instead of that route. That way it's not exposed right here, just sitting right here. Everything's just gonna come up right along there perfectly. Let's get this in the oven, y'all. I get back at y'all when it's out, prying it open, installing the LEDs. Let's get to it. Alright, y'all, so you're gonna want to set your oven to 225, let it preheat, then it'll be time to open that up. Giving y'all too much of a sneak peek of the Versatile crib. Y'all will get that later, y'all. Just stay tuned. So y'all, you want to set your timer to 15 minutes. And when it's done, it'll be time to go ahead and cut again around there. You might be able to pry it open. We're going to see which way works for us this time. Alright, y'all, so if y'all are having to reseal y'all headlights like me, you're going to want a razor blade to scrape away all the old glue or get as much away as possible so you can reseal it. Next, after we're done with this, we're going to go ahead and install the turn signal that blew out due to the moisture being inside. So y'all, that's the danger of moisture being inside the headlight. It can mess with the electrical system. Also, my backlight stopped working because the circuit's no longer complete with this turn signal being out. So it's another reason why we have to fix it before we go get the wrap. I'll get back at y'all when it's off. And it's time to put this back in. Alright, y'all, so the factory turn signals are actually mounted in here. Don't know how they're wired up at all, but pretty nice little setup. I'm actually gonna have to use the aftermarket turn signal since that one blew. And the headlights are 1200 for the pair. Can't even find them separate, and if they are separate, they're like $800, so might as well go this route. I cut a little notch right here and up here so this can sit flush. Get the wires in there for y'all. Boom. So it's gonna be sitting like that inside the tail light, and it does line up with these like that, as y'all can see. No, it won't be blocking it because there is a little hole in the back. Peep the Doberman. How you doing, Ruby? What's good, girl? But yeah, there is little spaces, so you will be able to see the turn signals. And this is a 12-inch turn signal from Amazon that I got. I'll put in a link in the description below if this happened to anybody else. But yeah, y'all, we're about to get this sealed up, clamp it down, let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours. That's about as much time as I got to let it sit for today. And then throw it back on. Alright, y'all, so before we reseal, we're actually gonna be installed dry and dry. There's little packages that come in your packages or whatever you order to keep things dry. We're gonna add a couple of them to there. We're gonna use electrical tape. We're gonna roll it over so it's double-sided, stick it in there. Hopefully that'll keep anything and prevent it from getting moisture in again. I'll get back at y'all when we got these installed, y'all. Get everything put back together and get it clamped down. Our double-sided electric tape right here that we have, don't judge. Yeah, hopefully it stays and keeps everything dry. Alright, y'all. So this is our brand new carbon flash C7 Z06 Grill. Looks like we're gonna be getting a little bit of extra airflow with all these holes. Those pockets right there on the sides. Thing looks a lot better than the factory one, y'all, for the Stingray. Alright, for this install, we're actually gonna have to hit these clips all along here. And then these appear to be 7mm bolts right here. And remember where these brackets are, because you're gonna need to transfer these to the new one. Actually, I think it comes with new ones. Yeah, it comes with new ones. You just need to remember the spots so you know where to place them for the new one. And then you're also gonna have to install these. It came with 2 of them for the new one. Let's get into the install. Alright, y'all, so just to give y'all a side-by-side comparison, here's the old one on top, new one on bottom. Y'all see those spots that I was talking about that got beat up from, it's my daily, so it's gonna happen. But that carbon flash Z06 Grill looks completely better, y'all. Time to get that one in. Alright, y'all, so got the new hardware in there. Came with this, these nuts, and then another one. It actually has a left hand and a right hand right there. Now that we got that in, actually time to go ahead and install this baby. Let me get this bumper off the ground, y'all. Y'all, so these are the clips that actually are very fragile and break off. See, these two actually broke off on the left hand side. So that's why if your left hand side or whatever side of your bumper is hanging off, it's probably due to these clips. And this one on the right hand side, I actually saved it with what is that, hot glue and epoxy. Saved it a little bit, but these are very fragile, y'all. I actually got some new ones I'm gonna throw on when I do install the bumper back. Just wanted to give y'all a heads up on if your bumper's hanging, this is why. Piece of shit. So y'all, do not mind the bugs on the front bumper. I am about to wash the car. Just take a look at the Z06 front grille on the Stingray. Shh. Thing looks 10 times better than the factory. Plus it looks like we're gonna be getting a lot more extra airflow. Hopefully keep the car cool. Also got that big shot of there. And all that gunk was caught in between the radiator and the skid plate, so hopefully she's able to breathe better and stay cool. Get back at y'all when we got everything done. Make sure y'all just reverse the process to get everything hooked back up. If you haven't seen that video where I installed the DRL color changing headlights from Vet Lights, be sure to go check that out. I'll throw it up in the card right here. But yeah, y'all, I'll get back at y'all when we got all this mounted back up. And it'll be time to head to Austin, y'all. Can't wait to see that wrap, y'all. Yes. That wrap, y'all ain't gonna recognize this vet no more, man. Y'all just stay tuned. Got so many big more things coming to the vet. This is just the beginning for Versatile, y'all. Y'all just keep rocking with the kid, man. We about to go up from here, y'all. I get back at y'all when we got everything mounted. All right, y'all, got everything mounted up. Show y'all that front end real quick. Everything mounted up, sitting nice. Get that cold start, y'all. I actually put her up on the ramps last night. She has not been started today. Let's see how she sounds. My bad, y'all. Silly me. Gave y'all the cold start. Forgot to give y'all an outro. Don't worry. I'm here to give that to y'all right now. Remember to stay versatile, y'all. Treat every day like it's y'all Friday, man. And truly go at it like it's y'all last, man. Because y'all truly never know when it can be, y'all. So might as well go out, man, and live a happy life. Because you never know. So why not? Why not go out and give 100% every day? And go at each goal that you have, y'all. And attack that bitch like it's y'all last. Cause you never know when you can be in one of these, man. I didn't even expect this, to be honest. But yeah, y'all, that's gonna be it for this one. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up.